Hey, this is Ben. I know you came to the internet looking for information about your long-term disability claim. Sorry that most of the lawyer videos here are pretty boring. We try not to be boring. I recently came across the very worst group long-term disability insurance policy I have ever seen for doctors. Each week, we consult with doctors and other healthcare providers from all over the country who find us at the White Coat Investor online portal. And recently, I was talking to a surgeon from the University of Colorado. This surgeon could no longer use his hands because of an injury he sustained, so he could no longer do surgery safely. He went to HR, he got the group policy at the University of Colorado, and he sent it to me to look at it. I had bad news. Even though this policy was marketed to the university, and the university marketed it to the physicians as being an own occupation policy, it really wasn't. Usually in an own occupation policy, if you can no longer do the job you were doing the day before you became disabled, so you're a surgeon, you're a back surgeon, you're a brain surgeon, anything that has to do with your hands, if you can't do that, you're entitled to be paid benefits under the policy. This policy, issued by the Standard Life Insurance Company, was the worst thing I've ever seen because of the way that it defined own occupation. It said your occupation is what you are licensed in. So, for all of the surgeons at the University of Colorado, if something happens and you can no longer do surgery, but hey, you're still able to do paperwork or see patients in the office or whatever, you're not going to get paid under this policy. Now, I don't blame the Standard. Their job is, in my opinion, to sell things that no one will ever use. That's how they make money. But I do blame whoever it was that made the decision. And the University of Colorado has had this policy for 20 years. But whoever made the decision to buy this policy and think it was good, like that's a major, major mistake. And frankly, you're letting your employees down. Every physician, surgeon at the University of Colorado should be running to an individual private broker to get a real own occupation policy. So if heaven forbid something happens to you that makes it so that you can't do what you were born to do, you'll be able to have financial security. This policy does not provide financial security. If you're a doctor anywhere in the country and you have a question about your claim, reach out to us before you fill out any forms for the insurance company. We'll walk you through the process.